All right, Facebook, YouTube, we are on a job today doing just one area, which is the living room of carpet cleaning. And we just got their pre-sprayed set up. And then they did have some evidence of dog urine. And we identified that with our special UV pet light. And we're treating those areas today, part of our Pet Pro package. And we just got done pre-treating those areas. And now our cleaning technician is using their CRB to agitate the fibers and to break that up so we can steam it out. So as you guys saw in the other video, we were able to identify those areas and recreate the accident. And now we're letting that dwell with our enzyme digester so it can actually break that up so we can steam it out. Again, guys, remember, you cannot clean urine. You have to treat it first so it can break it down, then you can clean. So this tip of the day, we do have a minimum of 180, and that's what we charge today, is 180 for this project. And that does cover 3 areas, but in this case, there's only 1 area, so it is 180. And of course, we charge $45 per area for any pet treatment of urine for a bowl size. And they had multiple areas, so I did give them a little bit of a break. I gave them a flat rate of just $135. So help them out a little bit. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. We're gonna steam it out here momentarily. I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a little chilly today for being summer, but not too bad. But at least it's not raining yet. So hope you guys are having a great day and stay tuned. All right, YouTube, Facebook, we are on a carpet job. No, hold this right here. And what we're going to be doing is doing some carpet cleaning as well as a pet treatment, part of our Pet Pro package. As you can see, this is our pet treatment light. See that lit up right there? That's actually dog urine. And what we're going to do is we're going to treat this to break it up, and then we're going to recreate the accident with our HydroForce, and then agitate it, and then actually remove that through our steaming process, and then that way that will eliminate the pet urine successfully. So that's what we're doing today, guys, is identifying any problem areas of concern. And this situation has some spots that we're treating today. And again, if you guys have this kind of issue, remember, you cannot clean urine, you have to treat it. So they're treating this urine today, and as you guys know, we charge $45 per spot, bowl size spot. And then after we treat it, then the carpets can be cleaned. So again, remember, you cannot clean urine, you have to treat it, then clean it afterwards. So that's what we're doing today. Recreate the accident, let that dwell. We're going to agitate it with our CRB. That way we agitate all the sides of the fibers, and then we can suspend that, break it up, because right now it's a paste. We liquefy it back into a liquid, because that's why it has to emulsify and digest with our enzyme digester, and then we can actually remove that and go right to our truck. So this actually is the scientific way to do it. It doesn't mask it. You remove it from the underneath of the subfloor and the padding, and then we can steam it out and actually clean the carpet yarns themselves after it's been digested. So that's what we're doing today. Letting that dwell, do the curly shuffle, kind of get that in there, step on, compress it into the pad, mix it up, and that's actually going to work. And typically about 30 minutes it takes for dwell time. Then we turn the light off. Here, we'll be able to see, like right there, see that spot there, guys? And more any other problem areas, but we're gonna hit that guy right there. As you can see, recreate the accident. Get that enzyme digester in there. Compress it. And let that do its magic. See if you see any more. Yep, one right there. You see that lit up right there. See that, guys? Yep. Press that. Another one right there, another culprit. And a couple more right there. And a couple more right there. See that, guys? The spot right there. And the spot right there. And again, we're treating this with an enzyme digester so it can break it up. Get rid of the stain and the odor at the source. And turning this paste, which is underneath there, it's a paste, and it's dormant, and then it'll turn it into a liquid so we can remove it and extract it. And then we'll agitate the top of the fiber yarns and then steam it out. There. Press that. Knifey shuffle. All right, guys, as you can see, we recreated the accident. We're gonna let that dwell, and then that should turn that back into a liquid, and then we're gonna CRB it, part of a Pet Pro package, and then we're gonna steam clean it out. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are steaming it out. You can see the carpet is responding very well. Nice. Hope you guys are having a great day out there. Call us if you need this service. Again, we were able to save their carpet. It is cheaper to clean it than it is to replace it. We're certified in all we do. And we're passionate. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, that's gonna do it. The client loves it. It is successful. And we saved your carpet. Thanks for watching. Yep, what do you think? You should check it out. How's it look?
Looks great.
Awesome. Glad you like it. Smells good too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.